Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It is March 23rd. It is about 7:21 in the morning. And as promised, I wanted to show you how to solve this equation. So we have Tiara, who won 40 super bouncy balls playing horseshoes at her school's game night. Later, she gave 2 to each of her friends. She only has 8 remaining. How many friends does she have? Well, remember using cubes. I'm going to circle 40. I also see the number 2 and the number 8. So there's a couple of different ways I can set this up, but I know that I'm going to use the number 40, I'm going to use the number 2, and the number 8. So I circled my numbers, underline my question. How many friends does she have? So we're not trying to find out how many bouncy balls. We're not trying to find out what night the school's game night was. We're trying to find out the number of friends. So I'm going to put boxes around keywords. So I have to each, which means that for every friend that she had, 2 bouncy balls are going to them. We also have 8 remaining. So using these numbers, we know that after she gave away everything all of the bouncy balls to all of her friends, she still had 8 left, and then she starts with 40. So I'm going to let f be our variable for friends. So I know that for every friend, she gave 2 bouncy balls. And then since there's 8 remaining, I'm going to add that to my 2f. And that when it's all said and done, at the very, very beginning, I'm really working backwards with this, because I'm going to start with 40, and then I have 8 remaining. And if I give 2f away, if I add this whole equation up, no matter what I get for f, I should end up with 40. So I don't have anything to distribute. I don't have anything to combine. So I can just go with solving this. Remember, using SADMAP. Yeah, and I apologize because trying to write with my little trackpad is difficult. So the opposite of, I'm looking first for anything that I can add and subtract. So I'm adding 8. So in order to get rid of this 8, I'm going to do the inverse, which is I'm going to subtract it from both sides. Positive 8 and negative 8 cancel out, leaving me with 2f equaling, and 40 minus 8 leaves me with 32. Now I added a subtract, but when I look at this 2f, remember the operation that I'm doing right here is multiplication. And the inverse of multiplication is division. So I will divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 leaves me with f. So I'm going to bring that over here where I have a little bit more space. So my f equals 32 divided by 2 leaves me with 16. So when it's all said and done, if I tiara the question, I go back into my question. It says, how many friends does she have? Tiara has 16 friends. Good job. So I'm going to clear out the drawing. Our next March 23rd question. Imani spent half her weekly allowance playing mini golf. To earn more money, her parents let her wash the car for $4. What is her weekly allowance if she ended with $12? So we're trying to find how much her weekly allowance was, uh, because she earns more money for washing the car. She earns an extra $4. So we're trying to find out her weekly allowance because she spent half of it playing mini golf. So I'm going to let you guys work on this, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember, if you have any questions, Please come find me.